Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to get more views on Instagram Reels. If you're struggling to boost those numbers up, stick around as I explain the key strategies to get your Reels seen by more people. The first step is to hook your audience. First of all, I'll show you how to post a Reel quickly. You can go here, you can go to your Instagram, then click on the plus button and select Reel. This will allow you to post any reel once you edited the video you'd like to post. Now, let's get back to our subject. How to hook your audience. The first 3 seconds needs to grab attention. Use an engaging visual or question. Example, ever wonder how to make your reels go viral? Like if you see in the reels here, they all engaging their audience like this. You can add text overlays to emphasize key points and keep viewers watching, just like this one. The second step is to use trending sounds and hashtags. Check what audio is trending on Instagram and apply it to your reels. This boosts your chance of being featured. And use niche related hashtags, but also trending ones related to challenges or popular topics. Avoid use the most trending hashtags as they can cause your video to drown in the posts. The third step is to post at peak times. Use Instagram's insights to find when your followers are most active. And also, the consistency is important. Posting regularly, especially when your followers are online, can help boost your initial views. Now, for the final and the fourth step, engage and share. Reply to comments quickly. This pushes your reel back into the feed. And share your reels in stories, tag relevant accounts, or promote it on other platforms. And there you go. These steps will help you gain more views on your Instagram Reels. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.